Alright, Homesteader family, welcome back to the journey. Welcome to this edition of the Sunday Monday vlog. It's not going to be filmed Sunday, it's filmed today, Saturday, because I'm sick. So I'm going to do chicken legs for dogs. Chubbs! Or Mickey Mouse, get out the truck. So only thing I got done, I got all the PVC pipes cut, ready to put the gutters up. That's going to be when I feel better. But for now, we're just going to do a Sunday Monday vlog chicken leg for the dogs. Because everybody wants to see the dogs and their chicken legs. And I'll see you guys next week on the next Sunday Monday vlog, and hopefully be a lot healthier. Enjoy. Alright, you guys ready? Chicken legs. Chicken leg, chicken leg. Alright, sits. Sits. Good, sits. 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 Good, sits. Me mouth, sits. Sits. Me mouth. Sits. Sits. Pot mouth, sits. Sit at. Sit. Big one for checks. You gotta wait. You gotta wait. Mama hasn't even heard yet. Sit, Daddy. Sit. 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 Oh. Y'all gotta wait. Mama's gotta eat hers. Mama's gotta eat hers. You can't be a pig. Chubbles. Chubbles. You can't be a pig. Chubbles. Alright, Mama's gonna take a while. I guess y'all get extras. Sit. 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 Daddy sits. 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 Me mouse. Sits. 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 Me mouse. Act. Me mouse. Sits. Sits. One more. That's So for those of you that don't know, Anatolian Shepherds, well, let's go to Pit Bulls. Pit Bulls have about 183 PSI, which is pressure per square inch bite strength. A Gray Wolf has 400 PSI bite strength. An African Lion is about 650, and these are Anatolian Shepherds / Kangles, whatever you want to call them. Depends whether you're from Turkey or from America. They have 743. So those are bone-in chicken legs, and I don't know if you can hear with the wind, but they crunch the bones up like potato chips. So they can go right through a femur bone, anything else. That's why they can't be used as police dogs, because they would break somebody's leg in one bite, unlike a German Shepherd that only has like 130, 120 PSI. So that's it for this Sunday Monday vlog. I hope everybody has a great weekend, and hopefully I'll be better for next Sunday Monday vlog, and I'll see you guys then. Take it easy.